Thanks to the world-shattering pandemic, a lot more people are happy to meet online and use platforms such as Zoom to meet up, hold events, without having to travel that far. GoBrunch has come out of nowhere to represent a really competitive alternative. It's currently on AppSumo on a lifetime deal. I'll put an affiliate link down below. There's 3 tiers available, and the top tier actually isn't that expensive. So this is definitely a deal to take a look at if you're looking to do webinars, meetings, or maybe some sort of expos. The interface is super clean and simple when you log in. They've got these pre-set up events. Now, what's quite interesting here is this is the same technology underneath all of them, but it's the settings are predefined so that you can have a meeting, co-working space, you can do webinars, you can do showcases, and they've got a bunch of tutorials as well. So if I was just to set up a normal meeting, you get a large number of layouts, and you'll notice these little circles. And the idea is to make this a little bit more interesting visually than the usual online meeting. You're kind of sat in these little chairs. If we scroll down and see there's just 3, now we're getting a few more participants. Here's a full classroom. If we keep going down, you have more and more, 36 people, 40, 65, 155, 409, 602 seats, which is a huge number of people to have. So for the purposes of this, I'm just going to scroll to the top, just pick this nice simple one. So here it is. This is a nice little meeting room. You can see it's detected my mic is on. This is the room link. So this pops up. You can share that, invite someone in, they can take a seat, and your meeting can begin. At the top here, you'll see this GoBrunch sign. This is indicating a replaceable element. So if I you can either take that off if you don't want it. If I press plus, you can add your own little logo. Now, I don't think I've got the file dimensions quite right because that looks quite small, but you can add your own image here to personalize it. Or if I press minus again, it just leaves it as a blank space. So we've got a couple of seats down here. You can see I'm talking. It's got the little speech bubble. I've not got my camera on because I'm using my camera to record this. And when you come into the room settings, you can see you've got things like the auto seat. Everyone has access to mics. And it's these room presets which are what are used to define those other rooms. So when you click it into a webinar, for example, people won't have access to mics and cameras because they're not there to interact with you and talk. They're there to watch your webinar. So I'm actually going to record this using GoBrunch and try and give you a sense of what it's like if the other person is using a mobile. Now, I've actually done this once and I didn't realize I can't screen record while using GoBrunch. So I've had to start again, set up a camera. So it's a little bit of a ropey shot, but you get the idea. So the mobile person, I've switched off their camera, but you can see we've got a little avatar here. And at the moment, I'm just in a little circle on the mobile screen. It's not always the best way of doing it, but we can swap to a different view. So there we go, that's better. And we can also remotely request people turn on or off their camera. There we go. So now on the mobile, it's looking like a more traditional online meeting. And on my screen, it's great. I can see the other person. A bit of an odd view, but there we go. And it's all looking good. So when you're in the middle of this, you can see we've got these little bubbles. We can have a chat and that would pop up on the mobile, and I could type back and that would pop up on my screen. You can also share your screen, and that's sharing a screen would share a particular browser, for example, and you would be in control. So this is what it looks like. So I can resize this. I can move all these windows around. And so I can see the screen, and I then go onto my browser to manipulate it. And you can see just about on the mobile, you can see the screen, but of course being mobile, it's quite small. On the mobile, I can't interact with that. That's where you'd need to share a URL instead. And I just wanted to show you this incredible expo that's been done using GoBrunch. This is the World Building Expo by this lady here whose name has escaped me, but she's done an incredible job. So this is all done in GoBrunch. You can see they've got all these different sponsors or people who are attending with their own booths, if you like, at the Expo. And each of these represents another GoBrunch room. So when you click on this, it will go to another GoBrunch room. I'll show you some. So there's some participants here. The event isn't running at the moment. I'm early, but I just wanted to show you this incredible setup. Fantastic job too. They've got a custom layout in the background. You can see all these spots. So I'm guessing this will be one of the 400 or 600 space ones. They've got this agenda just here, which is really cool. This is an intro video. You click that, she tells you all about the Expo and how it's been set up, and that it uses GoBrunch. So here, rather than use one of the GoBrunch backgrounds, they've got their own design, and you can see this is clickable, a clickable element. Here's an element for last call, which is currently going, join AppSumo Plus, and then if I scroll down, we've got video and more links. Now that amazing demonstration of the Expo is only possible because you're able to do a lot of customization. So I've gone back to the meeting room that I set up, and I've gone in to edit it, and you can add extra circles. So if you wanted to change the background, you could upload your own background, which I believe is what they've done. You can change the circle color, match your brand maybe if it was a different color, or you want just generally different colors. You can resize them as well, so we can have large circles. And doing that might mean that you don't need to pop out the cameras as you saw me do before. You can add navigation, which is how they did the back to the main hall section. You can duplicate, you can rotate, delete, bring to front, undo, redo, canvas height, add audio, video, background, add text, text styles. So there's a lot you can do there to customize this. The deal's been on AppSumo for a while, and the top tier does allow you to have 600 participants per live webinar. There's storage, there's unlimited organizers, storage space, 50 breakout rooms. That's really cool. If you're doing teaching in particular, you can get people to go into breakout rooms and work together rather than it all being a pile on in the Zoom chat. So that's a much better option. If you like the look of this, affiliate links down below. Would love to know what you think. Have you been trying this out? So have you seen some more creative uses that I've missed?